Okay, today we're going to talk about a game that I've created that I call Four Corner Mat Ball. The equipment you will need for this game is 2 Omnicom balls. If you do not have Omnicom balls, you could use 2 beach balls. You are going to need standing mats to split the gym into 4 equal corners, and you will need 4 cones as well. This game is for students in grades 3 through 8. So students will be split into 4 equal teams and put into their respective corners. The teacher will throw the balls into 2 of the corners to start the game. The teacher will stand in a spot where they can see all 4 corners, preferably up high. The offensive objective of the game is to toss the ball into one of the other 3 corners while keeping it in bounds. The defensive objective is to let the ball bounce once in your corner before catching the ball. So here we have the yellow and green team toss the ball into the red and blue corners respectively. The red and blue team let the ball bounce and then catch the ball. You cannot catch the ball before it bounces or let the ball bounce twice. If so, you are out. In this case, the red team tosses the ball and someone from the green team catches it before it bounces. So this teammate is now out and has to go stand by their team's cone. If you throw the ball out of bounds like this player from the blue team, you are also out. A player in the game from any team can retrieve the ball from out of bounds. You can be brought back into the game if someone on your team fields the ball cleanly on one bounce. The first player closest to the cone comes back in. So in this case, the yellow team tosses the ball, it bounces, the blue team fields it cleanly. So now the player from the blue team that is out can come back in. A winner is determined when only one corner has players remaining, or if the time runs out and one corner has more players than the other 3 corners. After a couple rounds, you can do an elimination round where if you are knocked out, you stay out for the entire round. So in this case, the red team and the yellow team have both been knocked out, so the blue team and the green team remain in this elimination round. So now the red team and the yellow team can come closer to watch. So here, a member of the blue team tosses the ball, bounces, and the green team fields it cleanly. But nobody comes back in since it was an elimination round. Next, the green team throws the ball and it bounces, and the blue team fields it cleanly. The blue player now tosses the ball back, and the green player was hit before it bounced, so they are now out. So now there is 1 player from each team remaining. The green player now tosses the ball back, and it hits the blue player before it bounces. So now the green team has won. I like to do about 2 to 3 rounds where the players are able to be brought back in, and then I like to do an elimination round at the end to see what team can last the longest. If you like this game, subscribe for future phys ed games. Thanks for watching.